Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to rank your LinkedIn profile higher in recruiter searches, step by step, updated for 2026. Optimizing your profile ensures recruiters find you for the right roles and opportunities. Let's start. First, optimize your headline. Use your current role and key skills, including industry-specific keywords. For example, digital marketing manager, SEO, and content strategy growth hacker is better than just manager. Next, complete your About section with relevant keywords. Mention your expertise, achievements, and what kind of roles you are seeking. Use natural sentences and include terms recruiters search for. Now, fill out the experience section, use bullet points, highlight measurable achievements, and include keywords for each role. This helps LinkedIn's algorithm match your profile with recruiter searches. Update your skills and endorsements. Add at least 15 to 20 relevant skills and prioritize those most searched in your industry. Request endorsements from colleagues for credibility. Next, customize your LinkedIn URL. A clean URL like linkedin.com/in/your name looks professional and improves search visibility. Also, activate open to work/recruiter visibility. Go to settings arrow, job seeking preferences arrow. Let recruiters know you're open. Ensure your profile is visible to recruiters in your industry. Engage regularly. Post updates, share articles, comment on industry posts, and join relevant groups. Activity increases your profile's ranking in searches. Finally, get recommendations. Ask supervisors or colleagues to write authentic recommendations highlighting your skills and achievements. And that's it. By optimizing your headline about section, experience, skills, URL, recruiter settings, posting activity, and recommendations, you can rank higher in LinkedIn recruiter searches and attract the right opportunities. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step LinkedIn optimization tutorials.